How to find equine dentistry tools. 1. Identify your needs. Determine the specific tools required for equine dentistry, such as floats, speculums, forceps, or power tools, based on the horse's age, dental condition, and the type of dental work needed. 2. Research reputable brands. Look for well-known manufacturers like Equine Dental Instruments, which specialize in veterinary and equine dental tools. Quality tools reduce the risk of injury to the horse and provide better results. 3. Check online veterinary suppliers. Websites like VetQuip, eBay, and specialized veterinary suppliers offer a variety of equine dental tools. Read reviews and compare prices before making a purchase. 4. Consult equine dental professionals. Ask experienced equine veterinarians or certified equine dental practitioners for recommendations. They can advise on the best tools based on practical experience. 5. Consider tool kits. Many suppliers offer equine dentistry kits, which include multiple essential tools. Buying kits can be more economical and provide a complete solution for general dental care. By following these steps, you can source reliable equine dentistry tools suited to your practice needs.